Oh hey guys, hi, hello everyone. A very warm welcome to your today's chemistry session, and this class is going to be super important if your term 2 is approaching, which actually is approaching. So this is the second session in which we would be discussing the subjective questions based on atoms and molecules. One session I've already taken, and today we have questions from the mole concept. We will be doing some numericals also. So let's get started and revise as many things as we can via lots of questions. Okay, if in case you are new on the channel, then you know what you are supposed to do. You have to subscribe to it right away and also hit the like button of the video. I don't want you to miss on any of the mentee sessions. We would be having the collaboration sessions. Okay, so we will be having a lot of you can say academic and non-academic topics from next week onwards that you would be loving, we are sure. So you have to stay connected on Vedantu 9th and 10th English channel with your chemistry master teacher Shilpi Kaushik. And guys, one more important thing I would like to ask from you guys: if you get 600 rupees, how are you gonna use them? Right now, let's say someone कोई घर पे relatives आए and they are giving you 600 rupees. So what would you like to purchase right now when your exams are approaching? So होगा ना, some students will be like, ma'am, I have decided कि I am just collecting money and मेरे को ये लेना है, whatever it is. So I want to hear from you guys in the live chat. बता दो एक बार and share the video with your friends. Football Bharat is saying, wow, I like it. भावना बेटा, how does it matter whether we have a mentee or not? एग्जाम के अंदर क्या मेंटी आने वाला है स्कूल में? No, you have to write the answers. That would be a subjective pattern. So how does it matter whether we have a quiz or mentee or not? बता दो एक बार, ये मेंटी का ऑब्सेशन मैं समझना चाहती हूँ. Yes, I want to understand this obsession. Tell me. Hi Chintya. Okay, I guess the voice is fine. It's not cracking. हाँ, yes, मैम कितने सालों बाद दिखाई दी. Okay, I तो take sessions every day. हाँ, okay. So guys, also please stay healthy. You know that pandemic is really hitting hard, and there are like the cases are increasing like anything. So please stay inside. Up to students like जो छोटे बच्चे हैं, they are also not safe. So you have to look after your health. Okay. Yes, Bharat, mentee is very interesting and competitive. I do agree with you. But if you are not done with the concept, if concepts are not clear, you don't know what is the way to attempt the subjective questions, what is the point of doing the MCQs? MCQs हमेशा last thing होती है that you're supposed to do. It's not the first thing that you have to do. Okay? So we need to work hard on building the concepts and basics first, and then we move there. Yes. Okay, so still tell me guys, 600 rupees में आप क्या खरीदोगे? One answer I got was football. Yeah, you tell me and share the video with your friends so that we can just do as many questions with lots of students, ताकि you can also see your answers matching with your friends or not. Yes, मुझे 600 rupees मिलते, and if I were in 9th class, I would have gone for Vedantu subscription, which is available at 50% off price. So jokes apart, ma'am wants to tell you that on this Republic Day, so we started a sale on all the courses of Vedantu, जिसमें all Vedantu courses were available at 50% off up to rupees 2000. So if you are in grade 9th and you are looking forward to your term 2 preparation, full preparation along with the revision course, all India mock test papers, the thousands of micro courses and unlimited live sessions, then Vedantu Pro subscription सिर्फ 600 rupees में मिल रहा है, and this offer is gonna end very soon, so you need to grab it. Agar nahi pata, the 600 rupees for all of this, for kitne sare subjects, it's not just for chemistry that ma'am is talking about, for a total of 6 subjects, जिसमें we are including the physics, chemistry, biology, English, mathematics and social studies. Social का तो नाम भी लेने में डर लगता है मुझे. So if you divide, you can see that 100 rupees per month you are paying for one subject. This is for a total of 30 days with a coupon code SKA Pro. That's gonna get you a huge discount. So make sure that you take the subscription before this offer ends. And if in case there is any 10th class student, then your 1 month subscription is available at 650 rupees. ठीक है, 9th के लिए it's at 600 for all the 6 subjects including test series, handwritten notes, unlimited live classes, session notes, assignments and the mock series, the crash course. Each and everything is including. You don't have to spend any extra money. So let's get started with some Titanic vibes. Spend time with good, like people who are good for your mental health. I guess you all understand this, that your energy is very important, and please use your energy very wisely. So if you think that you are surrounded by negative people, then you gotta maintain some distance, because your vibes, they matter. How you're spending your energy, it's just like your money, and so you have to be very much wise about it. So if you think that there are some people who are not good for your mental health, then please prioritize it. Okay, check it out, know your circle, and that you don't have friends who are pulling you down, who are making you feel less about yourself. So you need to think about it, because mental health is really important, and it's high time that we speak about it, right? I guess you all are fine. You understand the importance of your mental health. Yes, my classes are good for your mental health. Yeah, that's right. Just come stay with Shilpi Mam and your mental health would be fine. See, we all are Kitayans, है ना? And यहाँ पे Kitanic vibes आएंगी. So let's get started, guys, and give me the answers in the chat box very quick. Okay? So first question on your screen. Case based questions हम करने वाले हैं. So you can see the first case over here. The title, the theme you have to identify. It's not always important that you dive deep into the case that is given to you, unless it's related to some significant figures. Like kuch case based में ना some data is given to you. There it becomes important to read all of it. But if you see that it's more like theoretical, then your focus should be to identify what this passage wants to say. What is the outline of it? So if you see it, can you tell me what would be the outline of this case? In the chat box. Yes, tell me. Okay. This somewhere you can read Avogadro's number. 1 mole I can see. The amount of substance, symbol N of a system, is a measure of the number specified elementary entities. So we are talking about the mole concept. है ना? So it means that the follow-up questions are going to be based on it. So let's see the very first question. What is molar mass? What are its units? Yes, tell me guys, what is molar mass? बहुत आसान है ये तो. Just break the word. Molar mass. Molar mass, that mass of 1 mole of a substance. Yes, you can break it easily. Molar mass क्या होगा? This is simply mass of 1 mole of substance. For example, let's say we are talking about carbon. आपसे किसी ने पूछा what is the molar mass of carbon? So that means you have to tell what is the mass of 1 mole of carbon. And you know that mass of 1 mole of any atom would be equal to what? It's gram atomic mass. So that's gonna be 12 grams. Simple है. So it's important कि आपको atomic masses आते हो. You should know how do we calculate the molecular masses. You have to be quick there. Formula unit mass calculation, you should be quick in that. So it's simple. Molar mass is mass of 1 mole of a substance. For example, we talk about carbon का molar mass. That means mass of 1 mole of carbon. And we know that mass of 1 mole of any atom would be equal to what? Its respective gram atomic mass. So 12 gram. Now talking about the units. ये क्या बता रहा है आपको? Mass of 1 mole of a substance. So gram per mole is the unit. Okay, how many grams of a substance are present in 1 mole of it? So that's how you're getting the unit, gram per mole. Can we do this? Easy hai, not difficult? Yes. Okay. Yes, Kailash, to watch it out. It is gram per mole will be the unit. Fine. Yeah, easy peasy. All the answers are attached here. So you can go through that. The second one, distinguish between molecular mass and molar mass. A lot of you have confusion. ऐसे ही a same question can be asked in exam. What is the difference between atomic mass and molar mass का वहाँ पे भी comparison they can give you, or let's say gram atomic mass is given to you. So you should be able to calculate that, okay, and also know the difference between them, because mathematically you get the same answer, but unit wise if you check it, that creates a huge difference. For example, when I say that atomic mass of carbon is 12U, इसका मतलब है this is the mass of one atom of carbon. Okay, and when I am saying that molar mass of carbon is 12 gram, this is the mass of 1 mole of carbon atoms. You understand the difference? ये एक atom का mass है. This 12U, this is the mass of 1 atom of carbon. Okay, and this 12 gram, this is the mass of 1 mole of carbon. Now 1 mole of carbon would be having how many atoms? Avogadro atoms. तो इसका मतलब क्या है? This is mass of 1 mole, मतलब कि how many carbon atoms? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23 carbon atoms का mass है. So you see that mathematically same है. This is 12U. Mass of 1 atom of carbon, 12G, mass of 1 mole of carbon atoms, Avogadro number of carbon atoms. So the same happens molecular mass में, we take the mass of 1 molecule of the substance, whatever is given to you, and इसके लिए we have to simply add up all the atomic masses. जैसे let's say I am talking about water. What is the molecular mass of water? तो आपको क्या करना है? Simply you have to add the atomic masses of all the elements present in it. Atomic mass of hydrogen लेंगे हम plus atomic mass of oxygen. We will be getting the molecular mass of water. Now when I say molar mass, that would be the mass of 1 mole of water. ठीक है? And उसमें भी the same thing answers. You will be getting 18 gram. So the difference is that this mass is the mass of 1 molecule of water, but यहाँ पर जो निकलेगा, this is the mass of 1 mole of water molecules. 1 mole means how many water molecules? Avogadro number of water molecules. You understand? So mathematically you're going to get the same, but actually it's creating a lot of difference. So you should know that. The concept should be clear. Next question बहुत easy है. Define 1 mole. Illustrate its relationship with Avogadro's constant. ये तो बता सकते हो. चलो, tell me in the chat box. 1 mole of a substance, or let's say atom की बात करते हैं. 1 mole of an atom is equal to dash grams and dash many number of atoms. Can you complete this in the chat box, everybody? Easy peasy. Yes, you all are doing amazing. 1 mole of atom would be having how many atoms in it? Avogadro's. You know that? 6.022 into 10 raised to power 23. Yes, Shweta, beta, check the power. Yes, Bharat, you also check the power. 10 raised to power 23. Not 20 or minus 11. Not minus 11. Okay, 6.022 into 10 is our 23 number of atoms, and जब mass की हम बात करेंगे, if this is an atom, then 1 mole of a substance, 1 mole of an atom would be having how much mass? Equal to its gram atomic mass. Yes, Arpit, very good. Keep it up. Yes, Shweta, yes, very good. Samantak, amazing. That is right. So see, your mole concept ends here. If you understand this, then the game is over. और कुछ है ही नहीं क्लास 9th में. You are just what you are doing in mole concept. Mole concept we are using to quantify a substance. है ना, when we want to measure something, and measure करने के दो तरीके हैं. Either we can measure something in the numbers, जैसे number of apples, 10 apples, 20 pens, 30 girls, 40 boys, or the second way to measure is to use the mass. So you are relating the two things. Number you are relating to the mass, जैसे 2 kgs of apple, 20 kgs of apple, and बीच में the link that is connecting them is mole. So that is quantifying a substance. So 1 mole of any species would be having how many particles in it? Avogadro number of particles, that is constant. Avogadro's constant 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. And उसमें mass कितना होगा? Mass would be equal to, if it is an atom, then 1 mole में mass होगा equal to its gram atomic mass. If it's a molecule, then gram molecular mass. If it's an ionic compound, then gram formula mass. Over. And ऐसे you can relate these two things, number to the mass. So mole concept में there are 3 kind of numericals that are asked in exam. और वो क्या होते हैं? Mole is connected to the number of particles. ठीक है, this can be the one way. The second is mass. So either numericals will be based on mole से mass calculate करा दिया, or the vice versa. Similarly, from number of particles mole is calculated, or the other way around. And the third type is mass and number of particles के बीच में. These 3 kind of numericals are expected here. ठीक है, और इसी के अलावा ions पे भी कुछ questions होते हैं. So it's easy, it's not difficult. So practice it. Calculate the molar mass of sodium oxide. बहुत आसान है. It's an ionic compound if you see that way. So formula mass पे लिखा होता है. Formula mass calculation में भी you have to do the same thing. जितने atoms हैं just add their masses. So you can see 2 sodium atom. 1 sodium atom will be having a mass of 23 units. So 2 का कितना होगा? 2 into 23. ठीक है, plus oxygen का mass 16. So you can calculate it in the chat box. What is the answer? Okay, yeah, what is the answer? Okay, so beta ये जो है ना, this is an experimentally determined quantity that is fixed. जैसे 1 dozen is always equal to 12 unit, है ना, that is something we have fixed. Similarly 1 mole की value we have fixed to the same number, right? Okay, Pawan, we will discuss it. How to stay focused during the studies is to keep your electronic gadgets away first of all. Okay, so when you're studying, you have to make sure that watch out the environment. ठीक है, a healthy environment is very important where people are not just constantly coming and just saying anything कि आ जाओ, asking for help or anything. Like you need to cut off your connection for some time. Don't disturb me. This 1 hour is for my studies. And just stay away from distractions. Don't get up easily. Excuses ढूंढते हैं ना हम. अरे I forgot my notes in another room. So you're going there and then you are taking 5 minutes का break का 15 minutes होता है, then it becomes 50 minutes. You don't even realize it. 62 you are getting, very good. Molar mass है, so what unit you would be writing? Gram per mole. Yes, ठीक है, the unit of molar mass is gram per mole. And when mole is written as a unit, then we write MOL, not MOLE. Right? हाँ, तो check कर लेना answer, otherwise there would be गड़बड़. Exactly. Find the mass of 10 moles of carbon dioxide. Easy है. 1 mole of carbon dioxide में कितना mass होगा? Equal to its gram molecular mass. You know that 1 carbon has a mass of 12 gram. 1 oxygen 16 gram. 2 oxygen के लिए 16 into 2. 44 into 10. You can calculate it. Yes, 1 mole में इतना है, so 10 में कितना होगा? We will multiply it by 10. 440, yes, grams. Very good. Check your answers. Yeah. Amazing, amazing. कर सकते 62, your answer was coming. Yes, very good. एंड इसको चेंज कर लेना, ठीक है. यूनिट्स वी हैव टू एक्सप्रेस इन ग्राम पर मोल. हाँ, पे अटेंशन टू द यूनिट्स. द नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज द मास ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ नाइट्रोजन एटम्स. यस, mass of 1 mole of nitrogen atom, you know that would be equal to its gram atomic mass. Tell me the answer fast in the chat box. That is going to be 14 grams or 28 grams. 14 gram. 1 mole nitrogen atom है ना, it's clearly given. We are talking about an atom. No Asher, that is given, it's an atom. ठीक है, अगर molecule होगा then you will be taking 28 ना. Why would you go with that? Yes, 14 would be the answer बेटा. समझ रहे हो बात को. देखो, अगर मान लो क्वेश्चन में गिवन है व्हाट इज मास ऑफ 1 मोल ऑफ नाइट्रोजन, ठीक है, 1 मोल ऑफ नाइट्रोजन लिखा है सिर्फ. सो इफ एटम इज नॉट मेंशन्ड देयर यू विल कंसीडर इट एज N2. If nothing is mentioned, they have just written nitrogen. Calculate the mass of 1 mole of nitrogen. You know that nitrogen exists in the diatomic form. As a molecule exist करता है ना N2 में, because it's not stable in the free state. Atom में the octet is not completed. So it's diatomic in nature. The same happens with hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, सबके साथ यही है ना. So if it's not mentioned या फिर it's written 1 mole of nitrogen gas, then you would be taking it as a molecule. In that case, 1 nitrogen atom का mass is 14, so 2 का कितना होगा 28 gram. But यहाँ पर examiner is clearly stating that we are talking about an atom, so you have to take this 1 nitrogen. ठीक है, उसका mass कितना है 14 gram. So pay attention to the point. 4 moles of aluminium atom. Easy है. Atomic mass is also given to us. So we know that 1 mole of aluminium में कितना mass होगा, equal to its gram atomic mass, 27 gram. So 4 mole में कितना होगा? For 4 moles we will be multiplying it by 4. कर सकते हो? Tell me the answer in the chat box everybody. Easy है. Next question, 10 moles of sodium sulfite. 10 moles में पूछा है. So we know that 1 mole में कितना होगा, mass equal to its gram molecular mass. So 10 moles में कितना होगा, multiplied by 10. कर सकते हो easily. Yes, some students have also calculated 108. बहुत बढ़िया, very good. Yes, amazing guys, you are so intelligent. What would be the answer of the last one? देखो 1 mole के लिए calculate कर लो. 1 mole of sodium sulfite will have a mass of, सोडियम के लिए 23 grams. 2 sodium atoms are there. प्लस सल्फर का मास 32 grams. प्लस ऑक्सीजन का 16 है. देयर आर 3 ऑक्सीजन. कर सकते हो? या ओके, देन मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 10. 10 मोल्स में इतना होगा, है ना, 1260. वाओ गाइज, अमेजिंग, वेरी गुड AR. फास्ट, यस भावना, अमेजिंग अमेजिंग अमेजिंग. Hi Ishika, you come in every session and say ma'am take my name, and you also attend the sessions, okay? ठीक है, चलो. So guys, one more thing again I would like to remind you. You can see this na? हाँ. Vedantu's interactive course is available at 600 rupees because discount is going on right now. 600 rupees for 6 subjects. So grab it before you miss it out. 50% off is going on. I will be showing you the prices from the site directly so that you get better clarity. अभी और questions discuss करेंगे, ठीक है? So don't worry. See, this is the video that you are attending right now. Okay. We will make sure that we reach at least 50 likes by the end of the session. I guess like target पहले set करना चाहिए था, but it's never too late. Okay, चलिए देखो. You have to scroll down, okay? And you would be getting a very interesting link. Avail all exciting Vedantu courses by clicking on the link at 50% off up to rupees 2000, and 2 more days are left for the sale. Again the prices would be back to normal, मतलब बढ़ जाएंगे prices. If you are from CBSE, you will open the first link, 9th class student, okay? And this is your entire full-fledged plan for term 2 subscription. I would advise you that you go for the 15 days subscription. यहाँ पर लिखा है 15 days for 600 rupees, but the moment you are applying शिल्पी मैम्स कूपन कोड, जो आपको यहाँ पर अप्लाई करना है, it's written there already, SKA Pro, you will be getting extra 15 days. So 15 days plus 15 days free. That gives you a total of 30 days subscription for 600 rupees for 6 subjects. And I guess that's completely worth it. So एक cheese margarita भी लोगे तो double cheese margarita. That's gonna be more expensive than Vedantu ka full term 2 crash course, and this gives you unlimited live classes, test series, so you would be able to compete with your friends and students from more than 35 countries of the world every weekend. Okay, we would be conducting the test and your report analysis would be prepared and given to you. Assignments and notes bhi milenge aapko. So if in case you are lazy in making notes, you don't understand the appropriate notes kaise banana hai, Vedantu will be giving you, don't worry, with lots of questions. And if you get a lot of doubts during the live sessions, all of them would be cleared. And after the live session, Vedantu also gives you a mobile application जो specially doubt solving के लिए, which is available in the classic subscription. So it's 200 rupees more. 800 में you get this again for 30 days. I would advise you कि आप first वाले के लिए जाओ light subscription for 1 month, try कर सकते हो. Tap on 15 days free मिलेंगे, don't worry. And then 600 rupees is to be paid and your 1 month subscription of Vedantu will be started. So hurry up before you miss it out. And if you are from 10th class तो ये 650 rupees में मिलेगा. ठीक है, 1 month subscription. I guess that is also worth it. And batches are already started. So the time is running out. Make sure that you take an early subscription ताकि you get lot of advantage out of it. Clear? Second case coming up on our screen. Second case is saying something. Again, that's too much of theory. There should have been some full stop or comma. ये तो ऐसे लग रहा है यहाँ से शुरू हुआ, यहाँ पर खत्म हो रहा है. Okay, so atoms can be described as in building houses, like atom is the fundamental building block and etc. We are talking about atoms. It's saying that atoms are not capable of independent existence. So you got the idea around it. It's talking about atoms and their existence in the form of molecules. So questions बहुत आसान होंगे. We can see them. Question number 1. Define atomicity. Name a city where no one lives. Atomicity. है ना. So ये लिख देंगे हम इसमें. Atomicity is a city जहाँ पर कोई नहीं रहता. Yes, Ishika, you attend all of my sessions. My video is stuck. It's fine. Okay. Sorry. हाँ, ठीक है ना. You attend every session, Ishika. Okay, that's amazing. Hi, Safwan. If you are new on the channel, make sure you subscribe to it, and I welcome you on the behalf of entire Vedantu channel. Okay, so atomicity क्या होता है? That's very simple. You are provided with a molecule. So molecule में you have to simply count the total number of atoms. That is atomicity. Total number of atoms in a molecule is atomicity. When I am saying ozone, what is the atomicity of ozone? Then you watch out one molecule of ozone, that is O3. How many atoms are present in it? 3 oxygen atoms. So इसकी atomicity 3 होगी. ठीक है. Ozone would be triatomic. So when I say, let's say phosphorus की atomicity क्या है? That's 4. Tetraatomic होता है. So atomicity is simply total number of atoms present in a molecule. What is the atomicity of sulfur? In the chat box. Yes, sulfur has a crown-like structure. Crown-like structure होता है. You have to make a W. I don't know how to draw crown, so we can use a shortcut W और W को double कर दो. That is looking like crown. Yup. And at every corner we will be having a sulfur atom. So that gives you a total of 8 sulfur atoms. That is how it exists. Thank you, Binash. Yes, Korean. Exactly. True. ओके यस हाँ समंतक बेटा और भी एग्जाम्पल्स यू कैन टेक. हाँ ट्राई एटॉमिक के लिए इट्स नॉट जस्ट द ओजोन दैट यू हैव टू टेक ऑलवेज. HCl ले सकते हो, हाइड्रोजन साइनाइड इज अगेन ट्राई एटॉमिक. वाटर ले लो, वाटर इज ट्राई एटॉमिक है ना. CO2 देख लो, दैट इज ट्राई एटॉमिक, इजंट इट. ओके फॉस्फोरस एटॉमिसिटी कितना है 4 है ना. दैट इज P4 एंड इट एग्जिस्ट इन अ टेट्राहेड्रल स्ट्रक्चर लाइक दिस. All the phosphorus atoms are connected to each other like that. P4. Thank you Rajina, that's so sweet of you. Okay चलिए next one. हाँ so monoatomic atomicity 1 होगी. देखो there are some hints that you can use. Noble gases, you know about noble gases and metals, they are always monoatomic. Noble gases और metals क्या होते हैं, they are monoatomic, they have an atomicity of 1. Atomicity 1 होता है उनके लिए because metals exist in the form of clusters, lots of metal connected together in clusters, so we cannot count all of them. So हम क्या करते हैं, we just take it unity, we just consider it as 1. And noble gases, you know, they are already stable, they can exist independently, so they don't like to make a bond with any other atom, they are already stable, so उनका atomicity 1 होता है हमेशा. Now apart from that atomicity आता है non metal से, ठीक है. द मैक्सिमम एटॉमिसिटी के एग्जाम्पल्स दैट यू वुड बी सीइंग, दे वुड बी एग्जिस्टिंग इन द नॉन मेटल्स, जैसे सल्फर इज देयर, फॉस्फोरस इज देयर है ना. ऑक्सीजन इज अगेन अ नॉन मेटल. सो नाउ टॉकिंग अबाउट पॉलीएटॉमिक, व्हेन डू यू कॉल समथिंग पॉलीएटॉमिक, एटॉमिसिटी तब पॉलीएटॉमिक होगी इफ एटॉमिसिटी इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 3. ठीक है. सो अगर 3 या 3 से ज्यादा है एटॉमिसिटी, दैट मॉलिक्यूल यू कैन कॉल इट पॉलीएटॉमिक. पॉली मीन्स मैनी, ठीक है. सो व्हेन इन एन एटम मैनी, इन अ मॉलिक्यूल मैनी एटम्स आर देयर, और मैनी का क्राइटेरिया होता है 3 और मोर देन 3 है ना. सिंपल है. द नेक्स्ट वन, गिव 2 एग्जाम्पल्स इन ईच केस एंड राइट देयर केमिकल फॉर्मूला. मॉलिक्यूल्स हैविंग 1 काइंड ऑफ एटम्स ओनली. कोई भी एग्जाम्पल दे दो. सल्फर यू हैव सीन, ओजोन, फॉस्फोरस यू हैव सीन, सेम काइंड ऑफ एटम. हाइड्रोजन दे सकते हो आप, नाइट्रोजन दे सकते हो. मॉलिक्यूल्स हैविंग 2 डिफरेंट काइंड ऑफ एटम्स, यस you would be having water, 2 different kind of atoms, yes. हाँ कर सकते हो. CO2 भी ले सकते हो, water भी ले सकते हो. कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड is carbon and oxygen, yes Korean, amazing. The next one, molecules having 3 different kind of atoms. Hydrogen cyanide can work well. Any other example you guys can tell me? 3 different kind of atoms. In the chat box. बेटा CO3 नहीं होता मॉलिक्यूल ना, कार्बोनेट एनायन होता है, दैट इज CO3 2 नेगेटिव, यस. HCl is having 2 ना मनिका, HCl is having 2 different kind of atom, उसको यहाँ पे रख सकते हो सेकेंड केस में. H3PO4 you can take, फॉस्फोरिक एसिड ले सकते हो है ना, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड ले सकते हो. देखो 3 different kind of atoms. हाँ हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट ले सकते हो, वेरी गुड राजना, यस. 3 different kind of atoms है ना, easy peasy, not difficult, very good. Now tell me the answer of this question. Calculate the molar mass of ethyne. Mass of 1 mole of ethyne. तो आप यूनिट का ध्यान रखना, ठीक है. समटाइम्स इन सम बुक्स ऑल्सो यूनिट्स आर रिटन रॉन्ग, सो यू जस्ट पे अटेंशन टू दैट. अगर मोलर मास में पूछा है तो फाइनल आंसर यू हैव टू गिव इन ग्राम पर मोल, एंड सिंपली है 1 मोल के लिए मास इज टू बी कैलकुलेटेड. सो 1 कार्बन इज हैविंग अ मास ऑफ 12 ग्राम. 2 के लिए कितना होगा, 12 into 2 प्लस 1 हाइड्रोजन 1 ग्राम, 2 के लिए 1 into 2. Similarly for sulfur you can calculate 1 sulfur having a mass of 32 grams, 8 के लिए 32 into 8, easy है. phosphorus, 1 phosphorus they have given 31 grams, तो 4 के लिए multiplied by 4 कर सकते हो. for all of them give me the answer in the comment section, ठीक है. I want the answer in comment section and that should be written in the same comment like A, B, C, D, E. What is the mass? कर सकते हो. and you want copy from here. ठीक है, it's written already answer. हाँ, don't check it. Ma'am, we will check it already. We have checked it. We are so smart. Guys, one more thing, fill the Google form for Revise India series. So Vedantu is always here for you, you know that, and Vedantu is starting Revise India series, and we need your help in that. We need your suggestions and ideas. So because this channel is running for you and your priorities are our priorities automatically, so let us know the topic. So you will get a link in the description box of this video जहाँ पर Google form attached होगा for Revise India series. Make sure that you fill it out, okay? And again reminding you, Vedantu EdFest is about to get over. 600 rupees में 1 month का course मिल रहा है पूरा term 2. Then grab it, and this is not gonna come again. Coupon code is there already. Link you will get in the description box of the video. That's it. I hope the session was helpful, and I've given you one homework question. I want the answer in the comment section, and Shilpi Mam will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.